How smoking steals your beauty. Shocking skin effects. Smoking and your skin. Smoking never lets the skin to be fresh. Do you know? Smoking doesn't just harm your lungs but also ruins your skin. From wrinkles to dullness, smoking speeds up aging and makes your skin look lifeless. Let's find how. Wrinkles and faster aging. Smoking reduces oxygen supply to the skin, making it dry and wrinkled. It also destroys collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm. That's why smokers develop deep wrinkles, especially around the mouth and eyes. Sagging and loose skin. The harmful chemical in cigarettes break down collagen, leading to sagging skin on the face, neck, and even the arms. Over time, smokers look older than their actual age. Dull and uneven skin tone. Nicotine narrows blood vessels, reducing oxygen flow to the skin. This makes the skin appear pale, grayish, or uneven. That healthy glow, it disappears with every puff. Dark lips and yellow fingers. Ever noticed smokers have dark lips and yellow stained fingers? This happens because of nicotine and tar buildup, which discolors the skin over time. Slow healing and scars. Smoking slows down the skin's healing process. Cuts, wounds, and even acne scars take much longer to fade. Smokers are also at a higher risk of infections after surgery or injuries. Higher risk of skin disease. Smoking increases the risk of skin disease like psoriasis and even skin cancer. If you have a skin condition, smoking can make it worse. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Cure Care. For more health tips, let's keep our skin and body healthy.